Hi viewers, welcome to Kaithol channel. Today in our channel we are going to see this simple mask. As one of my subscribers had requested to do the mask, I am doing it. This is a simple type and very easy for the beginners to start with. See, what we need is woolen yarn, and then I'm using 4.5 mm size crochet needle and a scissors. It's a very easy mask for beginners and you can do it in a few minutes, and it's for 4 to 5 years kids. Okay, so I'm starting with a slip knot and then make 24 chains. For the 4 to 5 years kids, I'm making this 24 chains, and you can extend the pattern or uh, or lower the pattern according to the size. Okay, so first make a chain, see, after making this 24 chain, okay, make one chain extra. See, from the second chain, see, there will be two sides. At the back you are going to work, okay, there will be an interlock stitch between each chains. At the back side, if you turn the work back side, there is an interlock stitch between each chains. That is a bridge between each chains, and you are going to work in that. First turn the work and see the bridge stitches or the interlock stitch, and do the single crochet in that stitch. See, insert the yarn in the bridge, yarn over it, and pull through the two loops. See, another time I will explain you. Insert the yarn in the bridge, okay, yarn over it, first pull through that, and then yarn over it, pull through two loops. Okay, for the 6 stitches you are going to do this bridge stitch. For the first 6 stitches, do this interlock bridge stitch, that is the single crochet in the bridge stitch. Okay, 1 2 3 I have done. Now this is the fourth one. Five, doing the fifth one. And then the sixth one. Okay, sixth one. So after doing the 6 single crochets in the bridge stitch, now we are going to work in the front side, that is the right side. So we have to do half double crochets from the next stitches. Okay, so turn the work to the right side and then do it. Yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the chain. So see, insert it in the two loops. Okay, don't insert it and work in the one loop. Insert in both the loops and then yarn over it, and then pull through all the 3 loops. See, yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the chain, get through 2 loops, and then yarn over it, pull through this. There will be 3 loops present, again yarn over it and pull through all 3 loops. This is our half double crochet. Do it for the 12 stitches. Okay, see, like this. I have to do it for the 12 stitches, this half double crochet. See, after doing it for 12 stitches, okay, now you are again going to work the single crochets on the back of the work. For the 6 stitches, last remaining 6 stitches, you are going to work the single crochet on the back, that is the bridge stitch or the interlock stitch, whatever you can call it out. So insert the needle in the bridge and then yarn over it, pull through this, there will be 2 loops present, again yarn over it, leave the 2 loops. That is the single crochet which we have done previously. So do this in the last remaining 6 stitches. Okay. So after doing this, we have completed our first row. Now for the second row, do 1 chain and then turn the work. Okay. So now you're going to work in the back loops of each stitches. So there will be 2 loops, right, front and the back loop. So you are going to work in back loops for every rows. Okay, from now on, every rows we are going to work in the back loops. So first do 1 single crochets in the first 6 stitches, like this. 1 single crochets. That too in the back loops alone. I'm going to work in back loops alone. So see, it will be like this. So work in the back loops alone. So after doing 6 single crochets in 6 stitches, we are going to work the half double crochet. This also you are going to do in back loops only. For the next 12 stitches, you are going to do 1 half double crochets in the back loops of 12 stitches. Okay, so like this you are going to work it out. I have done half double crochets in the 12 stitches. Now for the last remaining 6 stitches, you are going to do 1 single crochets in the back loops. Okay, like this. 1 single crochets like this for the last remaining 6 stitches. So I have completed my second row. So this is the end of the second row. See, it will be looking like this. After this, for the remaining rows, you have to repeat your second rows by making 1 chain and then working on the back loops alone. First for the 6 stitches do the single crochet, and for the next 12 stitches do the half double crochet, and for the remaining last 6 stitches do the single crochets. Like this you have to repeat it for the whole pattern. Okay, so once again I will show you. See, first do 1 single crochets in the back loops of the first 6 stitches. Okay, 1 single crochets. So like this, after doing 6 single crochets, do 1 half double crochets in the 12 stitches. Okay, that do in the back loops. So after doing the 12 half double crochets, the last remaining 6 stitches, do 1 single crochets. So I completed my third row, so it will be looking like this. It will be looking like a bulge in the center. So for the cover of the mask, so we have to repeat it for the 12 rows. See, I have repeat this pattern for 12 rows. So this is the size. It will be looking like this. See how it's uniform. So this I have made a one handle for this, and for the other side I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so after making this, just take a yarn and then make a slip knot. And get it to the corner. Okay, and then take the yarn and then make 24 chains. As we have started with 24 chains, I'm making the handle for 24 chains. If you want lesser means you can do less chains also. Okay, so first make the 24 chains. So after making 24 chains, in the next corner you do the slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch. So for making the handle more stiff, so I am doing another row of slip stitch in the chains. See, like this, yarn over it and pull through the same loop, yarn over it and pull through the same loop, insert the yarn in the needle, yarn over it and pull through the same loop. That is our slip stitch. So do it for each stitches in the handle chains. So after completing it, do a slip stitch at the end and then cut the yarn and finish off. Trim the excess in the, you have to trim the excess in the same work itself. See, like this. So work will be looking like this. See how elegant and simple work, very easy for the beginners to start the work with. See, I'm started with 24 chains and made 6 single crochets, 12 half double crochets and then another 6 single crochets. So I have repeated this for the full pattern. This is very easy and simple and you can do it in few minutes, and every beginners will love to do it. So there are furthermore easy videos available in my channel. To watch it, like and subscribe to my channel, comment, share on my channel. Thank you.